What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode. Today we're doing some truck camping out in the Oatman, Arizona area. We're gonna check it out. I've actually never been out there before. We're gonna be driving along a portion of historic Route 66. There's a couple stops along the way, a couple viewpoints. We're gonna make our way into the town of Oatman, which is essentially kind of like a little touristy town, but I guess it's like a really good time. So we're pretty stoked to go check it out for the first time. The weather is gorgeous right now, and it's gonna be a perfect night tonight. Coordinates and links to all of the locations that we're stopping by today is in the description below, so if you guys are interested, you guys can check it out yourselves. Let's go.
Turn right onto West Historic Route 66.
First stop of our historic Route 66. So no vehicles over 40 feet should be driving around here. The road is super narrow, it's very windy. Using Rio's new harness from Atlas Pet Company. Really good leash, she doesn't pull on it. Rio, come on. Good girl. This is an old safe. Oh, that's cool. There's a free mine museum out here. Oh, this is cool. That's cool.
Oh, hey, Rio.
There we go. Lemonade's good, guys.
Solid lemonade.
Yep. It's probably some of the best lemonade I've had in a really long time. All right, so we're just walking around Oatman. We're gonna go check out this historic jail.
Also, that's the original jail from 1936, and it was active from 1936 to 1953. You guys are more than welcome to put the uniforms on and
Okay.
take pictures back there.
All right, thank you so much.
You are so welcome. Thank you.
Oh, there's the turtle right there, babe.
No, leave it.
Oh, he's stuck under the chair.
Hi, buddy. Are you eating? He's like literally a guard. He just goes back and forth. He's on the move. Whoa.
We're in the Oatman Jail, so it's $1 to get in here, but it's pretty cool seeing the turtles and everything they got in here. Thank you.
You're welcome.
You are now. Well, yeah, and you're on bank. Yeah, right. You're on bank before you ain't even shake. What you going to shoot me for? I didn't shoot you. I didn't shoot that noisy girl either.
Excuse us, donkeys. You're causing some traffic. So we just got to our camping area. It got super windy out here, so we're debating whether or not to move to a different location or what. Not really much around here past this area until we get to the city, which I think is Laughlin. I think we're pretty close to Laughlin. So we made it to this campsite outside of Oatman, but it is so freaking windy right now. We're probably looking about 20-mile-an-hour winds right now, and it's not supposed to die down until really later. So what we're gonna do is we're actually going to make our way back towards Las Vegas and then just go post up over at Government Wash. Good old Government Wash in Lake Mead. Okay. Big girl. All right, guys, made it to camp. The winds are definitely a lot nicer out here. It's very pleasant right now. It's probably the best time to go camping out in Lake Mead, honestly. Temperatures are great. Getting camp all set up. Dottie and Angela's new car camping setup. Got this like Hasika tent thing at the back of their SUV, and it comes with like this little awning thing that we're still trying to figure out how to set up. This is the same Hasika rain shield I've had, and for the life of me I can't figure out how these poles work. Like, how are these supposed to stay up by themselves? All right, y'all, comment down below, how are these work? But what's cool is that this, even though you don't have the awning up, you still have the shade, or you got the little bug net for your car, so that's cool. And they got a new little air mattress back here, specifically for car camping, so that it's a lot lower to the ground. How much was this, guys?
Like 50 bucks.
50 bucks? That's really good. Got the awning up on Dottie and Angela's little car tent thing. This really does fit perfectly on the Sorrento though.
Yeah.
Wow.
This
like,
is a small one.
I love that this is still like open. It gives you a perfect breeze in here. Got the awning up. This is the 270 Nomadic awning. Camp for the night, guys. Here's our views. Look at that. Very nice, very nice. It was freaking real windy outside of Oatman, so that's why we ended up leaving, driving back home-ish, back to Lake Mead since the weather here was better. We were looking at Laughlin, Bullhead City, and a couple of the other areas surrounding where we were at, but everything was still calling for 20-plus-mile-an-hour winds. Lake Mead tonight's supposed to just be 5 to maybe 15 tops. So it's definitely a lot better here though, for sure. We did bring the propane stove and everything, or propane fire pit, just because it's ban burn season nowadays, guys. It's just begun. Got everything set up over here. Got our table, camping stuff. We brought the bathroom, but there's actually a bathroom right up there. Got some really good whiskey out in Austin.
Yeah. Yeah, you must be good enough.
Cheers, y'all.
Still getting us in the zone. No.
Are you the only child? They are.
I was a big.
I haven't heard from you in a week. Like,
Your dad hasn't called me. Like, I haven't heard from him.
Okay.
you gotta do.
Got these gigantic nudes. Fusilli noodles right here.
Pasta.
Yeah. So we got some fusilli. It's essentially like kind of made some like lasagna pasta type of thing. Put some ricotta on there. We got some Caesar and we got some garlic bread. Oh yeah. Guys, just checking camp to make sure we're not forgetting anything. We got packed up pretty quick because of the wind. We're actually gonna go head out to brunch since we're so close to Henderson anyway. We're gonna go get something to eat. Gorgeous out today. The sun is beaming, but man, is it windy.